Hey Norm, so this task for you, I'll just flick it through to you, but it's for Jeff Jowett and on the Jowett method. Can you please jump onto his on this page here? So it's just in his sorry, it's in his Kajabi page on his home page for it. Go down here to this section. So he's got to download an ebook in here. We need to just update the ebook. So I'll flick through to you. This is it here. So we just need to upload it to our Amazon hosting and update this here. So you can just grab the image of this image here, just use that one. And then just download your complimentary weight loss ebook, and then just put in the name of so Mastermind Mindset and Lose Weight Forever. And then just chuck that in there, create a new form, and then plug that form over into his active campaign, just on its own new lead form. So if you can just do that for me, please, that would be great. Thanks.